In fact, why do I love the Doberman so much? Because in my opinion, it's a dog with such a high level of empathy that, and of course take what I say with a grain of salt, it borders on telepathy. What I mean by that? I mean that if you're sad, your Doberman will very likely be sad too. If you're agitated, your Doberman will very likely be agitated as well. So it's a dog bred to be in close contact with humans. Maybe it's the dog that's been bred more than any other to be in close contact with people. In fact, it can't stand the cold, it can't stand the heat. It's a dog that needs to stay indoors, close to us. An extremely sensitive and indeed a highly reactive dog.